What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am down in like the Freeport area or whatever, so I plan on doing some jetty fishing, and I'll see you guys out there, or Academy or something. I gotta stop at Academy. I gotta pick up some supplies, and I gotta hit the bait shop. But either way, I'll see you guys when I see you. Alright guys, I'm down here on the jetty. That was a walk, man. That was a walk. I'm almost all the way at the end, but there's a part where the smooth concrete like disappears down here. So, I don't know, it was weird. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some setup. I've got some live mullet and some live croaker I'm gonna be fishing with today. And jigging for spurs. I just saw a guy catch a pompano, so that'd be cool. Fish I haven't caught yet. So, let's get into it. There we go, finally on a fish. What did we get? Look at that, guys. Got a little spade fish. Nice. So I ended up having to change it up and putting treble hooks on with shrimp and fish bites. I think that's called a spade fish. Man, got him right in the nose. Unlucky guy. I'm not gonna keep him, but this guy next to me has been really nice. So I'm gonna ask him if he wants him. I don't know if they're any good to eat. So that's pretty cool. My first one of these, I'm pretty happy about it. Hey, you want this one?
Oh, yes, sir. Well, thank you, man. Just drop it there, please.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'm happy I finally got a fish.
There you go. Are you using a bottom fishing line?
Yeah, but I changed it up to 3 treble hooks with fish bites on them with my bait.
Okay.
So, yeah, I mean, that one hit probably 5.5 foot off the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's somewhere in that area. You're welcome. All right, guys, so that was pretty cool. Glad I did that. Actually, this camera looks really dirty. Sorry about that, guys. I had like fish something on there. All right, let me get back into it. I need to catch a second fish. There's good bait right there. Oh, that's my big bait for later. Ooh, what is that on his tail? Ow, he stuck me. He's got some kind of thing on his tail. That's weird. If any of you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments. Beautiful bait. Beautiful bait. Beautiful bait. I don't really know what that was, but I know that they're good for bait. So that's what I'm going to use them for. I don't know what for, but hey, we're all here learning together. Let's get in another one. Alright guys, so far this day hasn't been too eventful. got the spade fish, I got a catfish, and I got whatever that other bait fish is. But it's probably about 5:30 right now. So the sun's gonna start going down in a minute, but I did bring a light with me. So hopefully things pay off. Unfortunately, my bubbler went out. It's not the batteries, this little motor right here in the top. See how it rotated? Is getting stuck and bad, so all my bait fish is dying. But it ain't no big deal. I'm not too worried about it. As long as I got bait, I'm good. Whether dead or alive. I wish it was still alive and my bubbler hadn't broke. So that means I need to go home and I need to buy a new one of those. Sorry if the wind's really bad and I'm probably a little bit sunburnt. Forgot suntan lotion. But guys hung up on something. But I'm gonna check my baits, make sure they're all good to go. Then I'm gonna get back at it. Oh, sorry.
No, you're good, you're good. That was my fault.
Nah, no worries. Here we go, guys. Catfish. Something different. Alright, let's get this guy over here. Man, he got that thing wedged in there. Alright, so far, not the fish I've been wanting to catch today, but still got my big rods out. Still doing what I can. I'm gonna throw this catfish back in the water, get rebaited up, and get back into it. So far, it's not too bad of a day. I mean, I'm catching fish, so I'm happy about that. I just want to catch something. I just want to catch something other than catfish and little fish. I'd like to catch a red, that'd be pretty cool. But it's a beautiful day. It's pretty weird because it's like almost crystal blue water over here and it's completely muddy over here. And you can see the separation out there towards brown water. Yeah. All right, let me get this catfish put away, get back on it. Alright guys, got ourselves a pinfish. Gonna throw him in the bait cooler for bait for later. Alright, I don't know what kind of fish this is, but I'm gonna take a picture so I can find out. Looks pretty cool though. I don't know what they are. They look like dudes are keeping them. Yeah, that thing looks pretty cool. If you guys know what this is, man, let me know. I've never caught one of these. Right. Get my line back out there and see if I can get some more. I don't know if these are good for bait. Ooh, we fell. Looks like a like a weird pinfish. I don't know. He looks cool though. But there was 2 on there, but one fell off right there at the water. So, all right, re-rig this up. I'm trying to get some bait fish right now, so I'm gonna re-rig this up and get it back out there. There we go. Got 2 in this haul. Get out of the way so that way I don't run into anybody. So one, and I got one that's a lot bigger. I guess these are some kind of croaker. This dude was chilling in the grass. Pretty fish though. I don't even know if they're worth eating. I just want some pinfish or something. But I mean, those could be good for bait. I don't know. I don't know, you guys tell me. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. It wasn't a bad day. I'm gonna do a little bit more fishing to use up the rest of my bait. If I catch anything big, worth putting on video, I guess. Probably would have already seen it, or it may be after this closing. But I had a great time out here today. Saturday, it's hot. It is what it is. Surfside jetty, man. Always a fun time. I always catch fish. Just don't know, you know, what it's gonna be. But anyways, I had a great time out here at Surfside Jetty. I'm gonna finish using up my bait. Hopefully I catch something worthwhile. And I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, y'all keep on fishing.